Hey guys, this is Old Beauty Cars Workshop. How's everyone doing? Well, we got a stash update. First one we got. Sorry about the light in here is not that great. It's a Monkey 125. As kids, we had one of these, so bombing around the orchard and this and that around the farm. Really nice. I wanted one of these kits. Tamiya, good kit. Next one. I like my motorbikes. Maybe you noticed that. Kawasaki Katana 750. Neat bike. Really neat bike. Here's another one, 1000cc Katana. A bit of a soft spot for these ones. Katana 1100. So a friend of mine had one of these. I'm not sure if it's 750 or 1100, but he had one of these many years ago. It was a cool bike. That's that one there. And another Honda. One of my favorites, the CB 750. So pretty cool bike. So I think I might have another one just like it. I can't remember, but I have two or threes already. So alright guys, thanks for watching. It's just a stash update on motorcycles I've been collecting. Okay, thanks for watching.